Yeah, I'm really excited. I am really, really excited. So yeah, I figured we'll do the same as last week. We'll run the eyes just to warm up our feeties. Then I'll turn it over to you so you can teach us your magnificent choreo. And then we'll see how much time we have left. And then I'd love to put it after Madeline's and like get the whole, I mean, that will be almost a whole minute, which is seriously cool. I think that's awesome. That's a lot of work, man. And then next week will be Ainsley. We'll be in good shape. I'm excited. Aren't you excited? Murphy's excited too. He says hi. Murphy, you want to say hi? He said, hey, how you doing? Hanging out. He wants to be in dance class so very badly. Oh, hey, does any week in particular, or any day, I mean, work in particular to make up duet from yesterday?
I think I'm pretty much good at any day.
Okay. I was thinking I might suggest Friday afternoon. Do you have any objection to that?
No, that's good.
Okay, that's what I'm gonna suggest. I mean, you guys don't have to make it up. I'd love to see you. So if you guys want to meet, oh yay, we do have Thompsons. And that would be awesome. Hello.
Hi.
I wasn't sure if we'd have you today. I'm so glad. Is your power back on?
Yeah.
Yay, that's awesome. You guys, that's great. Chloe, I was just asking Leah, how would you feel about Friday afternoon to do duet? Would that be okay with you?
Yeah.
Is that all right? We can touch base later this week. I just thought maybe, I know that's a good afternoon for me, so. Okay, I'll email you guys. We can chat about it. Awesome. All right, we got a Madeline. Madeline, how are you?
Hi.
Hello, my dear. Hey, Charlotte.
Hi.
How you doing, honey?
Fine.
I'll take fine. I will take fine any day of the week. Fine is okay. Guys, I was just telling lovely Leah and Miss Madeline, we're going to start off by doing the eyes just to get our joints moving. Then I'm going to hand it over to Leah. I'm going to let her teach us her combo. Then we're going to review Madeline's and put them all together. Make me so happy. And then if we have time, we'll run the eyes one more time. But I wouldn't mind running Love Cat like as much as we can. I want it to feel really comfortable. Sorry, I'm throwing my phone on the floor. I took it out of its case because the volume buttons aren't working, but I feel like I should get it back in its case so that I don't break it. Okay.
What thing?
Here we go. Okay, let's do a music check while we're getting our shoes on. You guys tell me if you can hear it. Can we hear it?
No.
No. Well, that's not good. One second. Oh, okay, 1 second.
Ow.
It's not recognizing my mic.
Yeah, I can hear it. We're good. We can hear it.
Hang tight. It's not recognizing my external microphone, and I don't know why. Give me 1 second, gang. Huh. Okay, that's okay. Now I bet you can hear it. 1 second. Okay. Sorry, for whatever reason, the USB I usually have it in decided it doesn't want to recognize my mic. Cool. Okay, it scared me for a second. I was like, oh my goodness, that needs to work. All righty, are we ready to roll? That's it. All right, guys, the eyes, one time through. I would go ahead and mute yourselves if you haven't already. All righty, just to get warmed up, all that good jazz. All right, guys, here we come. Music is on. Good job, guys. Good job. I do have notes from Emily for you guys, but I'll give them out if we have like extra time at the end. If not, I'll shoot them out through email just because I don't want to waste time going over them when we've got stuff to do, guys. So I'm going to hand the floor over to Miss Leah. Leah, before you start, guys, I'm just going to play the part of the song that is Leah's just for like a refresher. And then I'm going to let her take it. Love Cats. So guys, Leah is starting right at the beginning of the first verse. And she's doing this part right here.
Move like cagey tigers, oh, we can get closer than this.
I love it.
The way we walk, the way we talk, the way we stalk, the way we kiss. We slip through the streets while everyone snoops, getting bigger and sleeker and wider and brighter. We bite and scratch and scream all night. Let's go and throw all the songs we know into the sea. You and me, all the years that no one heard. I'll show you in spring, it's a dangerous thing.
Okay, that way everyone's kind of in the zone. All right, so Miss Leah, I am handing it over to you, my dear.
Okay. So I thought since Madeline stopped right here, we could go up on her heel and then go. And then I go back down on my left and then I do shoulder temple. And then I turn to the left so that I'm facing the right wall. And then starting on my left, I do 2 knees. And then I lean to the left. It goes like that.
Like a lunge out and then step back together?
Yeah.
Okay, can you show us that again?
Hmm?
Can you show us that again from the beginning?
Okay.
Love it. All right, let's do that again. Awesome. Can you do that again for us and face the other way?
Yeah.
Thanks, baby. All right, take your time. Awesome. All right, guys, we're going to go over it some more, but Leah, honey, go ahead and keep going for us.
And then on my right, I step, hold, and then I go to the right and I kind of do like a jump turn kind of thing, just like that.
Yeah.
And then since we're wearing the same costume as the eyes, I think, I thought we could do like left toe back and like something with the hat.
Love it. Is that the end?
What?
At the end?
No.
Okie dokie. Let's go from the beginning and let's do all that. And can you do it facing the other way?
Yeah.
And guys, don't worry. We're going to break this down plenty. Love it. All right. Keep going, baby doll.
Then I thought it would be cool to do like a formation change.
Yeah.
I think Madeline had the line set up where it was like me, Ainsley, Charlotte, and then was it Chloe and Madeline?
I think that's right. Is that right, Madeline?
Yeah.
Thank you.
So I thought Charlotte could be like the point of the V going like that. So like the point at the front of the stage.
Yeah.
And then Ainsley and Chloe, and then me and Madeline in the back.
Okie dokie.
And you can kind of hear it in the music. I thought it would be cool to do like just like one single turn and down on like each beat. So it'd be like Charlotte 1, me, Madeline 3, and then Ainsley and Chloe 2.
Love it. So it would be like front, back, middle?
No, it'd be front, middle, back. I just said it backwards.
Oh, you're fine. You're fine. You're fine. Okay. I love it. Okay, so how would we make our formation change? Are we flapping?
Just like that, just like in the dance.
Okay, how many counts, baby?
I kind of base it off of lyrics
Okay.
for that part. So if we do it once with music, I can let you know.
Yeah, you're fine. You're fine. You're fine. And then the 3 turns.
Yeah.
And is that the end?
No, there's still more.
All right, keep going, baby doll.
So after the turn, we all land like that, like head down like that. And then I do 3 Cincinnati starting on my left. So and then on the heel I switch facing the left.
Okie dokie.
Then what?
Oh, I just said okie dokie. Sorry, keep going.
And then I do on my left, heel, toe, toe, heel, toe, toe. And I do paddle turn to the left. And then I do, starting on the left, and that's it.
Okie dokie, darling. All right, guys, let's dive into this. So tell you what, Leah, real quick, do you have any way to play the song?
Yeah, I have it on my phone.
Oh, awesome. Guys, I'm going to let Leah perform her section for us so that we can see what it looks like all put together. Sorry, Leah, I really probably should have done that first. And then we're going to dive right back into it from the beginning and break it down, okay? Whenever you're ready, honey.
Front or back?
I think Frice in the back is a little bit more helpful, if that's okay with you.
Yeah, that's good.
Ooh, I love that. I love it, Lee. I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. Now I feel like I've lost you. I love it. All right, so guys, let's break it down from the beginning. Okay, so Leah, give us the first two steps again, please.
Okay, the first two are heel, toe, and then shoulder temple to the right. And then from there I turn to the left, so I'm facing the right wall.
Okay, so guys, let's do that all together. So right foot pops up, and we pop it, toe, step, flat, heel, heel, turn it. And how many drawbacks are you doing?
I'm doing just two.
2, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so let's count it. Do you feel comfortable counting it?
Could you, if you don't mind?
Yeah. So guys, here, I'm gonna make it so that we can see everybody. Although Leah, you're getting the spotlight treatment again soon, so don't get too comfy. Okay, I think these counts are right. If they're wrong, stop me immediately, okay? I got rid of my head, but that's okay. So it looks like we're doing, wait a second. I'm gonna turn it around because I don't want to reverse it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Is it your right foot that steps out or your left, baby?
Left.
Sorry, my bad. I did the wrong foot. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Is that right, Leah?
Yeah, that's good.
Awesome. Okay, let's do that all together, guys. I'm going to try to do it facing you. All right, so 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, same story. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try that much with the music, just that much. Let me find that part. Come on, music, wake up. Yeah. Okay.
Move like caged tigers, oh, we couldn't get closer than this. The way we walk, the way we talk, the way we...
Sorry, Leah, can you do it with the music again, just that part?
Yeah, do you want me to do it from my phone or?
Your phone, please, if you don't mind. Sorry, I'm learning it right with you guys. Leah, I love it, by the way. I absolutely love it. It's going to look awesome.
Okay. So our counts are right, guys. We just need to go fast, okay? I was counting too slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then these are slower. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's keep going.
Okay, so the next thing we do is starting on the right, step, hold, change, hold.
Okay?
Great.
Love it. I love that turn. Step, shuffle, ball change, step, shuffle, ball change.
And then left to back and back.
And that's 7, 8, right?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Yeah.
8. Right? Let's do all of that together, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, step, toe. Heel, toe, step. Go out, heel, heel, same step. Turn around. Draw back, push in. Step, shuffle, ball change, step, shuffle, ball change, turn it around, step it and a toe. Same story. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. Turn it, and step it, toe. One more time, just a smidgen faster, then we're gonna add the next chunk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, heel, toe, step, go lap, heel, heel, cross, turn it. 1, 2, 3, 4, out, in. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's do that much with the music so far. And I'm handing it back over. Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8.
Move like paper tigers, oh, we couldn't get closer than this. The way we walk, the way we talk, the way we stalk, the way we kiss. We slip through the streets while everyone seems getting bigger and sleeker.
Let's move on, my dear.
And then we do the formation change. So
Gotcha.
start with the front, and then
here.
really slowly.
Let's figure out how many counts it is real quick. Here, I'm gonna play that part. You tell me how many.
We slip through the streets while everyone seems getting bigger and sleeker and wider and brighter. We bite and scratch and scream while
It's like half a count probably.
Half a count of.
Half a count of 8.
Okay. So there, let me play that part.
the way we walk, the way we talk, the way we stalk, the way we kiss. We slip through the streets while everyone seems getting bigger and sleeker and wider and brighter.
Is bigger, sleeker, wider the turns?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, gotcha. So yeah, guys, it is 4 slow counts. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. It'll be 8 little runs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And if you are Charlotte, my lovely, on 8, go ahead and prep for that turn, okay? So you're 8, Charlotte. And all you have to do is move forward. It'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that you're ready.
I have a question. Are we turning to the left or the right?
Turning to the left.
Turn to the left? Okay.
So left leg up, single outside.
Yeah.
You got it. So yeah, Charlotte, sweetie, when you run, just make sure that your last step preps behind you so that you're ready to go right on 1, okay? Everybody else, I would prep as well because it's quick. It's gonna look so tight. It's gonna look awesome, but it's quick. It'll be like turn and a 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, okay? So guys, let's do it. Let's do it from the top and add that on. Okie dokie pokies. So we've got 5, 6, 7, 8. Actually, 1 second. Let me adjust my timing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Step shuffle. Step 2 shuffle. Ball change. 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Toe. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and Charlotte, Ainsley, Chloe, Leah, Madeline, step out. Now, Leah, does Charlotte do turn, step out, and then turn, step out, or does everybody step out on that last count?
It goes turn, step out, turn, step out, turn, step out.
Thank you. Everybody hear that? So, Charlotte, you will be turn, step. Chloe and Ainsley will be turn, step. Madeline and Leah, turn, step. Okie dokie. Let's try that again. From the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step. Shuffle, ball change. 5, 6, turn it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We run it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn, turn, turn. Yeah? How we doing, Ish? We doing okay? I will take that. Everybody's muted. Yeah, we're doing okay. Thank you for the thumbs. Let's keep going. Let's keep finish it. Let's finish it.
Okay, so then on my left foot, we do 3 Cincinnati starting on the left.
Okay.
So 1, and then left. And then on right, I do double pivotal. Toe and heel and switch to the left.
Love it.
Then I do on the left still, heel, toe, toe, and right, heel, toe. And then I do
Okay.
to the left. And then still on the left, pull. Then left, right.
All right, let's do that after the turns. Let's do that again. Okie dokie. So guys, right out of the turns, 3 Cincinnati starting on the left, yeah? And a 1, and a 2, and a 3. And then what's next? Is it step toe? Oh, sorry. Heel, double, double, step, pop. Okay, let's do that again. 3 Cincinnatis. And a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 5 and a 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, I think. Unless that's 5 and a 6, 7, 8. Is this on 8, Leah?
I think so.
I think it is. I think I remember seeing it that way. I think it is. Okay. What's after that? After the pop?
It's on the left, heel, toe.
So 2 walks. Okay, so 2 walks, paddle, and then the very end.
And then left, right.
Okie dokie, let's walk it again. So we just did our turns. 3 Cincinnatis we've got. And a 1. Oh, sorry, I'm doing the wrong foot. Sorry. And a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 5 and a 6 and a 7 and 8. Okay, if I remember correctly, that's quick.
Yeah.
Double, double step stuff. Walk it, heel, toe, toe. Heel, toe, toe. Paddle, thank you. 5, 6, 7, 8. Maxi forward. Shuffle, leap, toe. Step, step, cramp roll. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have Leah do her whole section again. I just wanna oh yeah, Madeline, go ahead.
Does the shuffle, leap, toe, whatever, yeah, the shuffle, leap, toe, does that start on the left foot too?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Guys, I'm gonna let Madeline do her, I'm gonna let Leah do hers from the top just so I can look at the counts to make sure that I'm telling you guys the right thing. You're doing a good job. Sorry, what was that?
Do I face the back?
Yes, please. I hope you don't mind. I lost my pen. Where'd my pen go? All right, whenever you're ready. Love it. All right, so guys, let's do it. Let's do it, let's do it, let's do it. Let's go from the beginning of Leah's section. Let's work our way through it. Remember, this video will be on YouTube, so we can reference it plenty. Okie dokie, let me get rid of this chair. All right, here we come. So from the beginning of this section, we've got 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Turn it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step and toe. We run it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We turn it. 1, turn it. 3, turn it. 5. Land. Then we have Cincinnati's. And a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 5 and a 6 and a 7 and 8. I think I gotta check it. 1, 2, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Maxie, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold 8. Okay, let's try it together a little bit quicker. In fact, actually, give me 2 seconds. Let me just slow down the music a little bit. 2 seconds. I'm gonna slow down the music and we're gonna do it with it. And then we're gonna put everything together. Guys, remember that this video exists. I'm gonna count on you guys to watch it, yeah? Because this is awesome. I love it.
I'm gonna leave it on for this.
What?
Should I mute my microphone or leave it on for right now?
I would mute it and I will do my absolute best. I'm pretty sure I know it. If I don't, I'm sorry. I'll fix it. Come on. Okay, sorry. Sometimes my phone wants to be slow. Like right now, when it wants to be very slow for me. Thank you, phone. Okay, 2 seconds. It's getting there. I have to download it so that I can put it into my music slower downer thingy. And sometimes it decides it wants to go really slow for me. There we go. Okay. Or it's still, there we go. Okay, so I'm just gonna slow her down a tad because I love this and you guys are gonna have no problem with it, but since we're working on it, we're gonna slow it down just a touch. Get ready. 5, 6, 7, 8.
Move like caged tigers, the way we walk, the way we talk, the way we stalk, the way we kiss. We slip through the streets while everyone sleeps, getting bigger and steer and wider and brighter. We bite and scratch and scream all night. Let's go and throw all the songs we know into the sea. You and me are the ears and the water. I'll show you in spring to this thing we miss you.
Sorry, I messed it up, Lee. Okie dokie, let's do it again. Let's do it again. All right, I'm gonna make myself big. I'm gonna try to do it right. And sorry, Leah, I would make you big, except when I play it on here, then there's a delay. All right, let's do it from the beginning, and then let's tack on Miss Madeline. Here we come. 5, 6, 7, 8.
Move like caged tigers, oh, we couldn't get closer than this. The way we walk, the way we talk, the way we stalk, the way we kiss. We slip through the streets while everyone sleeps, getting bigger and sleeker and wider and brighter. We bite and scratch and scream all night. Let's go and throw all the songs we know into the sea. You and me, all the years and no one heard. I'll show you this spring, it's a picturesque.
Step, step, cramp roll is what I lost. I'm sorry, guys. My brain just worked slowly. Let's add on Madeline's. Do we remember it pretty well? Thumbs up? Yeah? All right, let's do it from the beginning. Let's do the whole thing. Here we come. Sorry, I lost it. Let me back it up. Let's start again. Sorry. I forgot something. I'm sorry, Leah. What did I forget? I forgot the turns.
Yeah, the runs and the turns.
Thank you, guys. I'm sorry. I knew I was forgetting something. All right, guys. We've got 3 minutes left. So what I want to do is I want to let Leah, tell you what, Leah, I want you to do yours one more time with your music, but could you tap really quietly?
Yeah.
I don't know what it is. Whenever people tap too loud, the sound just goes whoosh. So if you could just tap really quietly, that would be awesome.
And just do it without them. So
Huh?
Should I take my shoes off so you can just hear the music?
That works too. Because guys, we know the steps, right? If we see our feet moving, we're okay, yeah? I think that's a great idea. I don't know what it is about tap shoes, guys. I have no idea. Okay, but if you play it, guys, if you're sitting, do it with your hands. I'm going to mute myself so that I can do it with her. Whenever you are ready, Leah, my dear. Okay, now you can hear me. Leah, this is awesome. Guys, I know that this is tough to learn via this, but I think everyone can agree that this is awesome choreography. It's going to go great with Madeline's. Remember, it's the first day we've learned it. We have this awesome breakdown of Leah doing it. I foresee absolutely no issues at all, okay? So I want to do it one more time before I lose you guys. One more time, just all together. And then the clock will be about out. Ooh, real quick, everyone get your faces in. I want a picture, hurry. Bring those faces, I want to see faces. 1. I love those ponytails. 1, 2, 3, smile. Oh my gosh, that picture is great. I love it. All right, one more time, my gang. I think we have time for it. If it cuts us off, then I'm so sorry. I love you guys. All right, here we come.
Miss Sarah.
Yeah.
I choreograph for next week, right?
Thank you for saying that. Yes, you sure do. Okay.
Cool. And then we end in the V, Leah, right?
Yep, you're in
Cool.
the same order with Charlotte down, you and Chloe next, Leah Mad next. Okay, let's do it. If it cuts off, I love you, I love you, I love you. All right, here we come. Oh wait, let me start it all the way over. Now here we come.
Move like caged tigers, oh, we could get closer than this. The way we walk, the way we talk, the way we stop, the way we kiss. We slip through the streets while everyone sleeps, getting bigger and sleeker and wider and brighter. We fight and scratch and scream all night. Let's go and throw what the songs we know into the sea. You and me, all the years that no one heard. I'll show you in spring, it's a treacherous thing. We miss you. Love Cats.
I love it. I'm sorry I messed up the turn again, but it's okay. Guys, you're awesome.